Bo Jackson with the hiccups has had the hiccups for over a year.
Just he had, there's some disorder or something. He's getting the surgery to fix it. He said he had the hiccups for over a year.
Like constantly or just?
That's what the hiccups is to me.
If I'm past 20 minutes, put me in a psych ward.
Yeah, no, I'm in Shutter Island the next day.
He hunts too much to do that. You can't have the hiccups while you're hunting.
I would not wish that upon my worst.
That should be a form of torture. There's like, could you go with the hiccups more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
No.
I'd freak out.
I'd panic.
I'd be making a lot of phone calls.